cicada and the fox. On a hot summer day, a cicada was singing on top of the tree. La 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 la.
I'm so hungry. That cicada will be a great meal. But it's too high. How can I catch that cicada? Oh, I got this. Hello there. You are a really great singer. Your voice is beautiful and it makes me so happy.
Oh, really? Thank you. I'm glad to hear you liked it.
I wish I could sing as well as you. Why don't I give you some fruit and you teach me to sing?
You want me to come down there?
Why not? I want to hear you sing a little closer.
Okay then, I'll be right there.
I'll be waiting for you. I'm a genius. Ooh. Ew! What is this? Leaves?
I knew it! Did you think I'd fall for your trick? I once saw a cicada's wings in the fox poop. I haven't believed foxes since then. No way I'm getting down there.